There are several ways to use essential oil for whooping cough. The easiest way is straight from the bottle. Another method is steam inhalation. Boiling water and adding a few drops of essential oil is a great way to breathe in the fragrance. Place a towel over your head and the bowl to prevent any potential burns. Continue to do this regularly until the condition clears. What are essential oils? There are a number of essential oils that are effective against whooping cough and are often used to help a child recover from the condition. They can help your child feel better holistically and are safe to use for this condition. Essential oils should be used only when appropriate and prescribed by a doctor. Here are 7 essential oils to consider for your child's case. These oils can be applied to the skin or diffused for relief. Timolol is a safer essential oil to use on infants and children. It stimulates the immune system, improves digestion, and helps loosen mucus. Cinnamon leaf and oregano also contain antibacterial properties and are safe to use around babies. Thyme is also an excellent choice for cleaning the air as it disinfects it. It also relieves the coughing symptoms of a child. When using essential oils for whooping cough, you need to be careful when handling them. You must be very careful, especially if you use them near a young child. Essential oils can burn or irritate the skin. If they are inhaled, they can cause an allergic reaction. The oils will quickly be absorbed through the skin when ingested, so the amount you use should be appropriate. The benefits of essential oils are numerous. They can reduce inflammation and promote healing, but they can also improve respiratory conditions like whooping cough. Essential oils have powerful antibacterial effects, and effective herbal remedies for respiratory problems. They can also improve your mood and prevent future respiratory conditions. In addition to being effective over-the-counter remedies, they can help you deal with various conditions by enhancing your immune system. Peppermint essential oil is effective against respiratory issues and sore throats. You can diffuse it to ease coughing. However, you should remember to dilute the oils before using them. You should also dilute the oils before ingesting them. Essential oils are powerful agents and should be diluted in a carrier oil like olive, coconut, sunflower, or argan oil. They should not be taken internally or applied to the skin. Properties of essential oils. Essential oils can help relieve the symptoms of whooping cough, although they will not cure the ailment. Some essential oils have antiviral, antimicrobial, and calming properties. They can be used in various ways, including massage, topical application, and steam inhalation. Peppermint, for example, promotes mucus breakdown and prevents infection. Combined with eucalyptus, it can be an excellent choice for relieving the symptoms of whooping cough. Cypress oil can treat spasmodic coughs, which are often associated with whooping cough. Cedarwood essential oil helps to reduce coughs, as it is an antibacterial and is known to treat fungus infections. It can also help clear up congestion due to the cough. Cypress essential oil can also help prevent the spread of the disease by acting as an antiseptic. When diffused in a warm bath, it can reduce cough symptoms. While eucalyptus essential oil is safe for children, it can cause skin irritation. Lavender oil is an excellent choice for soothing a child during an illness and effectively relieves symptoms of whooping cough. While essential oils should never be used on a child under 2 years old, it is safe to use with the advice of a medical practitioner. When in doubt, consult a certified aromatherapist to ensure proper safety. Many essential oils are effective for treating respiratory conditions. The European Pharmacopoeia has over 25 essential oils, including eucalyptus, peppermint, and thyme. Many of these oils have long-standing uses and are an effective over-the-counter natural remedy. They are also used for preventing chronic lung diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. Garlic is another excellent choice for the treatment of whooping cough. The compound allicin, found in garlic, has strong antibacterial properties. When combined with honey, garlic can help with the symptoms of whooping cough. Turmeric also contains curcumin, an antibacterial compound that can help relieve coughing spells and shortness of breath. Simply add 1 teaspoon to warm milk to take turmeric and drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Cause of whooping cough. Early symptoms of whooping cough are similar to a common cold or flu. A child may experience a runny nose, teary eyes, nasal congestion, and dry cough. The cough will get more intense as the disease progresses, lasting up to 2 weeks. Sometimes the cough will be wet and more persistent. In this case, the cause of whooping cough must be determined. There are many reasons why an infant may develop coughing fits and whoop. Infants who are not vaccinated can still get the infection. Children who have been vaccinated against pertussis are more likely to contract it than children who have not been. The infection is highly contagious and spreads through tiny droplets of fluid released by an infected person's mouth or nose. When the child sneezes or coughs, the fluid may become airborne. A person can become infected simply by touching droplets from the infected person's mouth. During the early stages of the illness, a person is most contagious, but antibiotics can shorten the time. The bacteria that causes whooping cough is Bordetella pertussis. It affects infants and is often fatal. The cough can be short and dry or chronic and can last for 2 weeks. Infants may experience vomiting, cyanosis, and seizures, and it can even result in brain damage. It is an extremely serious health concern, and it is important to vaccinate children against it. The symptoms of whooping cough can be managed at home, but it is best to seek medical attention if symptoms persist. An infant may need to be hospitalized and may need to undergo antibiotics. A chest X-ray of the lungs is important for detecting any underlying pneumonia. A mother needs to have the child vaccinated against whooping cough before a child begins school. The main cause of whooping cough is the bacteria Bordetella pertussis. This bacteria is spread through the air when coughing and sneezing. The cough usually lasts about 5 to 10 days, but some may not develop symptoms until several weeks later. The cough will become persistent, and the child will spit up milk or food. An infant may need to be hospitalized or require oxygen supplementation and ventilation support in severe cases. Best essential oil for whooping cough. A specific essential oil can be used to treat the symptoms of whooping cough. The cough is characterized by a high-pitched, hacking sound accompanied by a whoop. It is a highly contagious and can last anywhere from 1 to 2 months. While it typically affects infants, it can also affect elderly individuals and immunocompromised individuals. This article will explore the best essential oil for whooping cough. Eucalyptus oil is a great essential oil for coughs because it is a powerful antiseptic that kills bacteria that cause the disease. Eucalyptus is also good for cough relief because it helps regulate breathing and loosen mucus. Lavender is another good option as it promotes sleep and can kill bacteria. It can also be used in chest rubs to relieve whooping cough symptoms. Thyme contains linalool, which makes it a safer essential oil for children. Thyme also stimulates the immune system, aids in digestion, and acts as a disinfectant in the respiratory tract. It can also be used as tea, which is beneficial to the body and helps to loosen mucus. When combined with other essential oils, they work to provide relief and prevent reinfection. Lemon is also an effective essential oil for cough. Lemon has antibacterial properties and is rich in vitamin C. Lemon water should be consumed 2 or 3 times daily to relieve cough symptoms. A teaspoonful of lemon juice and warm water will help with the cough. Lemon juice has antibacterial properties, so add a wedge to your cup of water and drink it every few hours. Lemon water will also help your child breathe more easily. Eucalyptus essential oil has antimicrobial properties. It is the primary ingredient in popular vapor rubs. It is also great for cough and respiratory problems. It helps you sleep better and relieves congestion. So, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for essential oil for whooping cough. Eucalyptus essential oil might be a good choice if you're looking for a home remedy for whooping cough. Next, essential oils for bruises. Young Living legal and medical disclaimer. Information provided on the site is for educational purposes only, and does not substitute for professional medical advice. You must consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. We do not provide any medical advice. Essential Oils Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.